In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a column in Goodday. If you've ever set up a project and later realized that one of your columns is unnecessary, cluttered, or simply not part of your workflow anymore, cleaning it up is really simple. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently remove any column you no longer need. First, start by opening Goodday and going to the specific project where the column you want to delete is located. Make sure you're in the correct project, because each project can have its own set of columns, and you don't want to accidentally change the wrong one. Take a second to confirm you can see the board or view where your columns are displayed, such as your task board or pipeline. Once you're in the right project and looking at your columns, move your cursor to the header of the column you want to remove. At the top of each column, you'll see its name. Right next to that column name, there should be an icon with 3 small dots. This is usually called the More Options or Context menu. Hover over that area and click on the 3 dots next to the column name. This will open a drop-down menu with several actions related to that column. These options might include things like editing the column, changing its properties, or other settings that affect how tasks appear in that column. From this menu, look for the option labeled Remove Column. When you see it, click on Remove Column. Depending on your current Goodday setup, you may be asked to confirm that you really want to delete it. This is a good moment to double check that you've selected the correct column, because once removed, you may lose that specific structure and any settings associated with it. After you confirm, the column will be removed from your project view. Your board will automatically adjust, and the remaining columns will shift to fill the space. If you no longer see that column in your board, you'll know the removal was successful, and that's all there is to it. By selecting the right project, opening the column options via the 3-dot menu, and choosing Remove Column, you can quickly tidy up your Goodday workspace and keep your projects focused and easy to manage.